Children, in this video we are also going to see some of the questions, book back questions of lesson number 2. That is 38th question. For each of the following, give the subshell designation, the available m values and the number of orbitals. So question number 1 is n is equal to 4, l is equal to 2, n is equal to 5, l is equal to 3, n is equal to 7, l is equal to 0. This is the answer. N value, L value, sublevel designation, M values, number of orbitals. N value, L value, sublevel, M value and number of orbitals. Such a way you should write. Okay. Next, 39th question. Give the electronic configuration of Mn2 plus and Cr3 plus. Give the electronic configuration of Mn2 plus Cr3 plus. Mn atomic number 25. Z means atomic number. So Mn configuration. So Mn2 plus 2 electron removed from the 4s orbital. For chromium atomic number 24. This is the expected configuration. Then Cr3 plus 4s0 and 3d. From 3d 2 electrons removed. So the configuration is this one. For the second question. So 39th question. 40th question, describe the alpha principle. Book page number 52. This is the alpha principle. In the ground state of the atom, orbitals are filled in the increasing order energies. Then you should draw this diagram also for alpha principle. This is a must. If you are not drawing this one, you are losing the whole mark. So this is the must. Next, 41 question. An atom of an element contains 35 electrons, 45 neutrons. Deduce the number of protons, electronic configuration for the element, all the 4 quantum numbers for the last electron. Question number 41. Number of protons 35. Configuration. Last electron is in 4p orbital. So the values like this you have to write. Then next question, 42nd question. Show that the circumference of the Bohr orbit for the hydrogen atom is an integral multiple of de Broglie wavelength associated with the electron revolving around the nucleus. Book page number 41. This you should write from here to here up to the end. This fully you should write. Bohr's quantum condition. Then next 43, question number 43. Calculate the energy required for the process He plus giving He2 plus electron. The ionization energy for the hydrogen atom in its ground state is minus 13.6 electron volt per atom. 43rd question. E1 n square value is 1 square. E infinity square. So required energy E infinity minus E1 equal to 0 minus that value. So you are getting this value for 43. 43. Plus 54.4 electron volt. 43. Next, 44th question. An ion with mass number 37 possesses unit negative charge if the ion contains 11.1% more neutrons. 44th question. Finding x value. X value I got like this. So the symbol of the ion is 17x37. Mass number is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons 37. Number of neutrons is equal to number of electrons x plus 11.1% of x. So x minus 1 ion plus 1.111 x plus is equal to 37. So what is x? For finding x I have calculated like this. X minus 1 plus this value. Then substitute, I am getting the symbol 17x37. Next, question number 45. The Li2 plus ion, that for that 45th question, finding En value, Rn value, then for lithium atom R3 value, substitute and get the answer. Then for lithium 4th orbit, substituting the value and get the answer for this one. This is the 45th question. Then 46th question from your book, that is protons can be accelerated so and so. That for that question, given velocity v, mass m, so lambda is equal to h by mv. Substitute all the value and get the answer. Similarly, 47th question, what is the de Broglie wavelength in centimeter cube of a 160 gram cricket ball? For that question, volume first you have to find out. 38.88 meter per second. Then substitute in lambda is equal to h by mv. We are getting the value. Work out and find the answer. Answers and all given at the book back. Turning the book at the back, there also these problems are worked out but I worked out very simple. Answers are given there, you can check with that answer. Next, 48th question. Suppose the uncertainty determining that question given here, given del x 0.6 Armstrong, converting it into meter 10 power minus 10 meter. So substituting all the values and you are getting the answer. 48 and 49. Show that if the measurement of for that answer given del x is equal to lambda del x into del p greater than or equal to h by 4 pi. Lambda into del p means mass into del v greater than or equal to h by 4 pi. So del v greater than or equal to h by 4 pi into m lambda. Del v greater than or equal to h by 4 pi m into, for lambda we are substituting this h by mv, then bringing out, cancelling mass, they are getting v by 4 lambda. So answer is v by 4 lambda. 50th question, what is the de Broglie wavelength of an electron? For this one, lambda is equal to h, that is 100 volts, h by square root of 2 into MeV for potential difference. Substituting all that values and you are getting this value. Then 51 question, a tabular column given. Tabular column given for finding n, L, M. N value, question mark and all, you have to fill it up. Then L value, M value, sub level. N value, L value, M value, sub level. All the questions I have told. These problems, everything worked out in book page number 257. All the problems have worked out there. You can go through page number 2, 54, 58, 59, 257, 58, 59. You can go through fully all the problems worked out. Even I showed here. Go through, you will be able to understanding, finish and get the answers for all the problems.